मिक्स्ड कल्चर्स हो गया है। मम्मी के साइड पे मंडे को फास्ट करते हैं, पापा के साइड में थर्सडे को फास्ट करते हैं, हस्बैंड के साइड में और कोई दिन फास्ट करते हैं, और बच्चा बोले मैं कौन सा करूं? मेरे पापा की मम्मी का और पापा कहाँ कर रहे? There are 5, 6, 10 people influencing the child. Child doesn't know who he is. And this is how we grew up. All of us, forget training, rest of them. हम लोग ऐसे confusion में grow हो गए. So naturally we are in a confused state. We don't know what is right and wrong. This culture says this is right. That culture says this is right. No, which is right and wrong? There is no right and wrong. Within you, you will know there is a voice within you which is speaking. Listen to that voice. That voice is you. उसको हम लोग ने इतना सबड्यू कर दिया है हमारे भीतर के आवाज को, with all the conditioning. मम्मी ने ये बोला है, नो 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 नो, माय वॉइस इज सेइंग समथिंग, नहीं नहीं पापा ने बोला, नहीं नहीं नहीं, लाइक दैट करके 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 जो एक्चुअल जो भीतर से वॉइस आ रहा है उसको हम लोग ने सुला दी. So we have lost our voice. Now what we speak is what mommy speaks, papa speaks, country speaks, etc. speaks, politician speaks, that we speak. अपना खुद का कुछ है ही नहीं. क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि हम लोग ने बहुत मेहनत करके उसको सुला दिया है. Because of the conditioning. Now all of us can do this as a homework and sit and contemplate and look for your own voice. जो मेरे को अंदर से सही लगता है. Not what that one says or this one says or even Naina ji says. Doesn't matter what I say. What you feel is you. What comes from deep within your voice is you. Everything else can be just reflections of different people. These are not cultures. We are not that. Understand in depth what I am saying. You are not all the clothes that we are wearing, all the cultures that we are put on our head. We are the individual flowers. Okay, be you. Okay, I think we should make t-shirts for that. Be and you. So be you. That's going to be the slogan. That's all we need to do. You need to be you. Nobody else, nothing else. And you're spiritual because you're natural. If you are a banana, you're a banana. Finish. So be you and you're natural, and that's why you're spiritual.